Hello YouTube family, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY, and today we're going to make these 3 Dollar Tree Valentine home decor. I know it's hard to find ways that you can decorate your home for the holidays on a budget, but I'm here to show you how. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you first of all to please subscribe to my channel. As a new YouTube channel, I look forward to each and every subscriber to help me grow my YouTube channel. Also, if you would please give a thumbs up and like this video. Leave a comment below at the end of the video and tell me which of these 3 craft items you are the most excited to try to make yourself. Again, let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to make is the love sign. You will need the love sign from Dollar Tree, some scrap wood, paint, some florals, and of course a glue gun and some E6000. The first thing we're going to do is remove the string from the back of the love sign and then give it a complete coat of white chalk paint. Next, I'm going to paint a layer of pink chalk paint in the color Ballet Slipper on this piece of scrap wood. This is going to be the base to give my love sign some more stability to stand. I also used Ballet Slipper to paint the O of the love sign. Next, I'm just taking some hot glue to attach the love sign to the base. I'm also adding this piece of black and white gingham ribbon just for an extra little touch. Lastly, I'm going to cut apart some of these extra gypsum flowers that I have and just hot glue pieces here and there to the base of my love sign. And here it is, all finished. Next, we'll make this love quote sign. You'll need this quote wall sticker from Dollar Tree, some paint, some ribbon, and a piece of wood to attach it to. Any scrap wood will do to attach the quote. I'm using this sign I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It says something about dogs, but I'm just going to paint over that with some of my gray chalk paint. Here I'm just positioning my wall sticker so I can see how far from the top and bottom and sides I want to place it. You'll want to smooth it out really well to make sure it's fully adhered with no bubbles. I decided to add some of this red gingham check ribbon around the edges of my sign to give it a frame. I'm so sorry that this is out of frame. I'm making a simple bow using some of my burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I fold a few layers of burlap ribbon over and then tie it in the middle with a jute string. Using some of the same red gingham check ribbon, I'm going to make a smaller bow that I will glue on top of the burlap bow. And here you can finally see what that bow looks like. Lastly, we're going to make the heart candle holders. The first thing you want to do is untie the ribbons from around the neck of each vase. You can also remove the stickers from the bottom. Obviously, these were not very easy to remove, but I only really was concerned about getting at least one sticker off because I was going to be gluing two of these vases together to make a taller candlestick. Once those two were completely dried together, I took more E6000 around the mouth of the top vase and glued it to the mirror. Then I took my single vase and did the same thing. While those are drying, I'm going to glue a piece of my burlap and lace ribbon around each of my LED pillar candles. Next, I took two felt heart stickers from the package and just put a little extra hot glue and attached them to the center of each pillar candle. Next, for a farmhouse touch, I'm going to take this jute twine and wrap it around the neck of each of the heart vases.
Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to comment below which of these three crafts you are the most excited to make. I'll also link some other Valentine decor DIY videos in the box below, the description box below. Have a great day. Happy crafting.